Monosaccharides join, water is released. That's a fact, son. So we call it condensation reaction, and that's the truth. Cause an OH and H are removed. Two monosaccharides joining to provide a disaccharide. Real talk, no riddle. Joined with an oxygen in the middle. A strong bond that in fact we call glycosidic to be exact. And here's some examples. Get ready for the O's. Yo. Sucrose from glucose and fructose, lactose from glucose and galactose, and maybe you already knew maltose is glucose times 2. And even though things have started to change, the sweetness and solubility still remain. Hey. Next, to flip it around, these disaccharides can be broken back down. For this, it's water that you need to give back the OH and H which were released. And because of this that we call the process hydrolysis. Hydro for water, the first half, and lysis for breaking apart. It's the second reaction on your list. And please don't forget this, cause ignorance is not bliss. Now, small molecules just step aside and enter the polysaccharides.